Well, good morning. Time now is 8:49. We're looking at a cloudy, chilly start to our Sunday, but I am tracking some wet weather for later on today, this afternoon and evening. Some showers will be tracking on through as we head through the remainder of our weekend here in Narragansett. Seeing the clouds out there. Temperatures now rising at the shoreline. We're seeing some 40s pop up, looking at 38 in Newport, 44 Westerly, 43 Block Island. Many of us will actually be reaching the upper 40s to near 50 this afternoon out ahead of a cold front, as a little bit of warmer air works its way on in. Live radar is quiet still this morning, expecting that to be the case over the next few hours. Looking at some wet weather, though, arriving for the afternoon. This area of moisture off to our west, some snow showers and some mixture down towards the mid-Atlantic region. That is tracking in our direction, but again, by the time it gets here, I am expecting it to be in the form of just a plain rain for later on today. Weather headlines: cloudy, chilly start this morning. Showers arrive this afternoon. Then as we go into Tuesday, looking at a coastal storm likely bringing us some chilly rain, a little bit of wintry mix in some cases, maybe even some snow across far inland areas. We'll talk about that more in detail in a moment. Behind that system, though, much colder air arrives by the end of the week, and we'll see that in the 7-day as well. Let's time things out through today. We're seeing the clouds. We're seeing the rain showers arriving this afternoon. Most of it somewhat on the lighter side. I think by the evening hours, we could see a few embedded downpours track on through. Regardless, this is a quick moving system, not much of an impact. It moves on through as that cold front dries us out tonight. By early Monday morning, heading out to work and school. No big issues for that commute. Looking at chilly temperatures in the 30s, but we should be dry with some sunshine expected pretty much all day long. And Monday is a quiet weather day. Not expecting much. It'll be breezy, but no big weather issues for Monday. Tuesday, however, is a different story. This is the morning commute on Tuesday. This is 6 a.m. We're seeing those temperatures right around freezing in some cases, especially further north. Could see the precipitation begin as some snow, maybe even a little bit of an icy mix down towards central parts of our area. Notice the coastline, though, looks like a plain chilly rain during the early morning hours on Tuesday. Quick moving storm. This is midday Tuesday, 11, 12 o'clock. Notice how the snow is across Massachusetts, western central parts of the state, northwestern Connecticut, up towards southern Vermont and New Hampshire. This system is really favoring inland interior areas of New England for the snow. I think this will be more so of a kind of a mixed bag for parts of our area, with the coastline seeing a chilly rainfall here with temperatures just above freezing, but just warm enough. So I think that gives us that more liquid variety of precipitation versus the frozen. So this is now Tuesday afternoon. Still holding on to the snow here across the interior. Some heavier rain down towards the shoreline. Temperatures again a little bit warmer. But look how fast this storm tracks on through. This is 7 p.m. The precipitation's already pretty much exiting the coastline and moving away. So it's a quick hitting system for our Tuesday. But the track is very important. Does it take this green line track here closer to the coast? That would introduce, the rain snow line moving northward, more warmer air, more rain. Whereas if it takes a more southerly track here, the red line, that would maybe keep the colder air in place a little bit longer and perhaps introduce the chance for a little bit more frozen precipitation. Right now, I'm thinking it's somewhere in between those two lines, and we're still looking at the plain rain along the coastline. As you go further north inland, mainly snow across western central parts of New England, up towards ski country as well. This looks to be a pretty good storm for them. And right now, thinking the best chance of seeing any kind of snow or a little bit of accumulation would be northwestern parts of Rhode Island and further north and west, back towards Worcester, back towards Springfield as well, Windsor Locks, Connecticut. That's the best chance of seeing some accumulating snow from the system as it looks right now. Of course, a couple days to go, things could change between now and then, so definitely check back for updates. But here's your 7-day forecast, highlighting that coastal storm on Tuesday. Not a major storm, but does bring some impacts to us. Regardless, much colder for later in the week and into next weekend. And as always, that full 7-day, you can get it on our website at WPRI.com.